Hi everyone, this is Swanky Markets with the Outlook beginning week, the 18th of October, Sunday night now, so this is starting for tomorrow. Now, it's a fairly light enough news week. There is news out this week, and we'll post the news deviations in the live chat box as we always do. But it's light enough tomorrow. There's American tick news out at 2 p.m. GMT tomorrow. The, then there is one thing that is happening this week that is not on any I can see any economic calendars anywhere. Is on Tuesday night. This Ifran has forwarded this to us. Mervyn King is speaking, and it's the speeches the day before the MPC minutes are published on Wednesday. So what is interesting in this email that we got, and I'll forward it all to you in on our email, our members' email list, is that since he became governor in 2003, Mervyn King has always given three major speeches a year: January, June, and October. And the October speech is always on a middle Tuesday in October, 20th of October 09, 21st of October 08, blah blah blah. So just the fact that he's given a speech on Tuesday in October is just routine, but he may say something important on quantitative easing. Um, and he's also given in his speech where he went to school. So it's the day before the MPC. You have to assume that the speech he might signal something that's in these minutes that are going to be released on Wednesday. Just be aware of that Tuesday evening on Mervyn King. He's the governor of the Bank of England. So where are we going this week? Well, we've got an awful lot. I've had a good look at the DX index and the Japanese yen index, the pure indexes, not the pairs we show on the thing, and we've got a lot of not so much trend reversals but retracement candles. Corrections, shall we say? So we're looking now at the pound dollar, and if we go through this, we will have a look now. The pound is looking to be the weakest pair this week, so gold also might retrace as well. But the if we look at the weekly chart on the pound first, we've got this. This is indecision. Can't get above 160. Spiked above, has come all the way back below. Stochastics are rolling over as well through there. It depends what this Bollinger Band does at market open. If we go to the daily on Friday, we've got this big shooting star candle here. Now, I prefer it if this body was slightly bigger, maybe a few pips bigger, or the wick here a few pips smaller, but this is very bearish, right off 160, closed below it. So I am looking for reasons to short this for the next few days. If I get in this tonight, then I'm going to hold it for a few days. So what we are looking for, whoops, sorry, let me get my notes here. If we you're going to look for a reason to short at 160 on this. All right. Um, this is a big sell signal on the daily chart. 159.80 is a 55 EMA from another time frame. So really, you want to see a close below 159.80 and then a retest, hopefully of 160. You might only get back to 59.80 to look to short this. Uh, so that is, but you're going to be counter trend trading, so you're going to half your lot size, of course. Now, the big line in this now, you're going to have you're counter trend trading, so you're going to have to watch where it comes down to. 157.62 is my target. It's the daily 365 EMA if I get in it. We may not get down that far. This 61 point weekly favor of 61.8 is 58.50. That is going to be another big line in the sand as well, and we can see previous support here, and then we got this bullish move out of that, and it just looks price is getting tired, and a lot of pairs looks like price may start to pull back. So I would be looking to short that, and then I would be looking for 170.57.62 for reasons to long it. Now it may break that and get all the way down to 160. If it got down to 160, I'd love that, because this here is the weekly 55 EMA. The daily 55 EMA is 56.36. I would love it to get all the way down here and just ride it all the way down, but it'd be a bit bouncy. But I'm planning on shorting this tonight when market opens if it gives me my reasons to short. Now, you're going against the trend, so you're going to have to half your lot size on it. But the pound is very, very bearish for the next few days at least. The euro dollar, we've got a dark cloud cover from Friday. If we go to the weekly, we got indecision on the euro pound as well. Stochastics are turning over and things. If we go to the daily, we got a dark cloud cover. Stochastics look like they're turning over as well. The 80 EMA, which is just a momentum indicator, the 80 EMA. MACD's making a lower as well. So this dark cloud cover to me is, if we get a pullback tomorrow to 140.20, that'd be the area I would look to short. Previous highs, it's around, it wouldn't be the 50 of this candle, but would it be the 38.2, I wonder. Right to the pip, 38.2 is 140.20 as well. So I would look at 140.20 for reasons to short this. A pullback to there is where I would look. Now, your target, though, you got to be careful, is if we go to the 4 hour on this. Look, if we want to look, that we look at the sky is above the earth, so the 34 is above the 55, the trend is up. We know that. But look how price, if I go all the way back here, how price respected the 21, then eventually came through it, then eventually went along, it just kind of rode it all the way up, came through, bounced right off the 55. And where's the 55 now? 138.99. So 139, the weekly pivot, 138.67. I have to see if that moves at market open. You'll have to see where the weekly pivot is yourself. But if we do manage to short here, then you are looking at 139 as your target. Should it break 139, the next level is all the way down at 137.89, which is here's the weekly M2, its previous support and resistance, as you can see there. So that with your counter trend trading, so you're going to have to have your lot size. Swissy as well is the same. Swissy, we got bullish train tracks here. Now, again, these are all counter trend trades. So if you only like to go with the trend, then you might want to take a few days holiday. But what I would be looking for here it's a few pips above. It's a bullish engulfing candle. So it'd be a bullish engulfing. You would look to get in long, and I'd look to long it up to 99. You want to watch 96.47 on your way up. Now, if you want to be safer, you could wait for a break of 96.47 and then get in long up to 99. Now, if we go to the weekly chart on this, you can see 99. If I bring this over, bounced off to the pip, and this is the lowest it has ever been now, but it hasn't been retested. This is 99.24. And we got indecision last week, and then the Friday's candle is maybe a correction signal. So I would look for a pullback. If it's going to go up to 99, then you would want to long it. Even if you get in at 96.48, it's still 270 pips. So, but 96.47 is a big line in the sand on this pair as well. But if you want to be safe, you can wait for a break of that. If I change this down to a 4 hour, yeah, 90 previous support resistance here, then went up, came straight back below, came up with this candle here. So you want to be careful, but 96.47 is the line in the sand, and the 4 hour candle as well. We have to see what way they open. What is the next? Dollar yen. Let's get up our dollar yen. Now the dollar yen is also signaling counter trend trade here. This is very bullish as well on the daily. Stochastics have turned, MACD's starting to turn up, and we've got tweezer bottoms, right? Tweezer bottoms right off 81.12. Now 81.12 is a big level. Now this is probably going to head back up to 83. You might want to half stake your lot size up to 83. If you get a nice reason to short at 83, then a short at 83. I wouldn't place a forward order because of intervention. However, I am interested in longing this up to 83. And if intervention comes in, it'll take us higher. But this is showing signs of going long for the next few days. If you are conservative about counter trend trading, then you want to wait for a close above 81.66. So that is what 81.66, and long it up to 83. However, if it decides at market open or decides that it's going to go down, then you're going to wait for a close below 81.12. Close below 81.12 for further moves short. But this is showing signs of going up to test 83, and then I'm interested in longing it up to there. The Aussie dollar. If we go to the weekly, we've indecision. You can see here on the weekly, closed the week at 99.05. If we go to the daily, let me zoom this up for you. If we go to the daily, now you want to keep watching gold here, all right, because gold will give you clues on this pair, and gold looks like it's going to pull back to 113 when we need a pullback in gold. For those of you that aren't in gold long, I would be looking for clues to long this at 97.30.